Okay, the next one I'm looking at is Nvidia. So this one is based on your request. Based on your request, again, we actually did this survey, some of the popular stocks. Nvidia is your request. This is quite an interesting company. I also didn't realize. Okay, if you go to look at some of the most recent computer, you actually see the Nvidia sticker on the laptops. So anyway, what do? They do GPU, so it's graphics processing unit. Okay, Nvidia graphics. So they are basically very good into graphics. Gaming. Okay, so gaming market. So they have redefined modern computer graphics, revolution parallel computing, deep learning. They are actually quite into AI. Quite into AI. And of course, they will be involved in like the robot self-driving car, and these are basically a lot of very sexy new stuff lah. As you can see here, okay, I will go into details and probably you can understand a little bit better. These are their main market segment. So the 56% of their revenue come from data center, but what I understand is it's not the rental of data center space. So we have actually talked a lot about data center REITs. So this one is, I believe, is the configuration of inside the data center. Okay, that means using the equipment of the data center, the system, so on and so forth. So apparently, they have been providing a lot of AI solutions in data center. I'm definitely not the best person to explain the technology part, but do visit the website about Nvidia, quite interesting. They will actually tell you a lot of details about what do they actually do. Okay, of course, gaming, they're actually quite good with the graphics. 33% of revenue come from gaming. They do professional visualization, 6%, and they are also going into the sensors, as you can see here, for automotive. So these are the various market platforms. So again, very exciting stuff. Okay, so just to give you a sense of what they do in data center, definitely just not the space. As per what this statement here, data centers are becoming like AI factories. So basically, I think it's more like providing a solution, data in, then after that, they can churn intelligence as an output. Okay, so can also see that from the chairman's statement, they are very big in AI. So basically, if you, let's say, want to invest in AI, artificial intelligence, this is probably one of the companies you can be looking at. Okay, so one thing very interesting here is this. Usually a lot of high-tech companies or companies that actually produce product of the future, their 6 tests are not very good, but not this company. The 6 tests actually pass. Okay, you can see that they actually pass the 6 tests. Current ratio 3.52, actually very good. That equity is also very healthy. So this company actually passed the 6 tests. So unlike a lot of like startups or new companies, their 6 tests usually fail. But their pricing wise, to me, this is absolutely overpriced. So the current price is 262. My DCF value is only $83. And I stick to my DCF value. You can see that their PE, can you see? It's 150 times. And of course, I may not be able to compare the peers because they may not be into AI and so on and so forth. But PE 150 times, I think is a bit quite scary. And plus, when I look at the chart, I know I don't usually look at chart. But this one is very easy to look at. So let me just show you. Okay, can you see there is a big run up? Okay, let's go to the max. The price actually plunged. Then after that, there is a big run up. Okay. So this is since October last year. It's already run up quite a bit lah. Okay, so same thing. Do I like the business? Yes. Is it financially healthy? Yes. I think this is a very interesting. Again, so that's why personally, option is very interesting to me lah. So instead of me waiting for the price to come down, so same thing lah. What I do here is this. I ask myself, what is the maximum price I can take? Okay, the default mode is this. I actually is the average over the past 5 years growth rate. So it's 26.9%. Okay, that's how I get my $83, which is what I share on the slides here. So let's say, for example, I mean, to wait for it to drop to $80 over, I think it's a challenge. So like my question myself, like, what is the maximum price I'm willing to go? I think the only leeway I will do is here. So I will not consider this this growth, this negative growth. Okay. So my assumption is that, yeah, maybe this company only past 3 years the growth and they will continue. So what I did is this, I just changed the number here. I believe that the next 4 years, the growth rate can hit about 38%. And the maximum price is here, $134. $134. Okay. So same thing. Ask me to buy at this price, I'm not willing. Ask me to wait, I'm also not willing. So this is what I do lah. Again, same thing, sell put. I can, this one have to go for longer put now. So I have to go up to September 15, 143 days. Okay. So if the price don't drop to the fair value I want, then okay lah. I got by 15 Sep. If it doesn't drop, then I get a consolidation price of $106. But if indeed it drop, I buy at 135 instead of 262 today lah. Okay. So here's the thing. If you ask me buy at 262, I believe it's a bit speculative lah. So you are what we call buy high, sell higher lah. If you ask me, this is quite risky. I wouldn't do it. Okay. Unless you are a trader, probably you will do it. And I don't think if you buy at 262, you want to keep for long term, you'll probably make money and run. Or put it this way lah. So there are, at least for me, safer way to invest. Okay. If I really like the company, I want to invest in a company, I will wait lah. I won't buy at 262. I think it's a bit speculative. And how I wait is this is what I do lor. This is what I do lah. Okay, so of course, if you want, you can stretch up to 150 if you like it so much. But yeah, this is what I do lah.